Okay, this is a quick review on the order of operations. Remember, with the order of operations, we have quite a few different parts that in an expression we would want to solve, or that could be in there. The first one that we want to have is we want to try to solve anything that is inside the parentheses. Then we want to do the exponents. So we have our parentheses, then our exponents. And then we will have our multiplication or our division, whichever one comes first. So we have our multiplication or division, and this is very important, whichever comes first. And then finally we have our addition or our subtraction, and also the same applies to this, whichever will come first. So whichever will come first. Whichever is first when you work left to right. Okay, so here's a problem, and I've listed over here on the left-hand side, I have our steps. I have listed here the order of operations. Remember, it's parentheses or multiplication, addition, or subtraction. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to label our operations. So we have a division, a subtraction. We have a parentheses, and inside that we have a subtraction. And then we have an exponent. So the very first thing that we do is we will do anything that is in parentheses. So what I like to do is I like to underline my operation that I do first. So 17 minus 6 is going to be 1. And it says right here to perform only one operation at a time. So I bring everything else down. So I write my 32 down, my division symbol, my 4, my subtraction sign, and my square. So now I just repeat and go back to labeling the operations. So I have division, I have subtraction, and I have an exponent. I'm going to underline what I do next, which is going to be my exponent. So 1 squared is 1. Bring down my subtraction, my 4, my 32, and my division symbol. And now I'm going to label. I have division and subtraction. Underline what I do first. 32 divided by 4 is 8. I have my 1 here. I brought that down. All I have left is subtraction, so that's what I'm going to do. I have 7. And I box my answer. And I have here what we consider the tornado method, which is we started with our expression, and then we worked our way down to our final answer. Here's another problem. I'm going to first label. So I have a parentheses along with a subtraction inside. I have an exponent and I have a division. First thing I'm going to do is I am going to do my parentheses, which is 4. Bring down my squared, my division symbol, my 2. I label. I have an E for exponent and a D for division. I'm going to do my exponent first. 4 squared is 16 divided by 2. I have a division symbol sign. I do 16 divided by 2. I get 8. I box my answer, draw my tornado. I have here a couple of more problems that you can work on. first one here is I have division, I have parentheses with addition inside, I have addition, and I have exponent. First thing I'm going to do is my parentheses. So I get 3, I bring down my 15 and my division sign, my addition, my 3 squared. I go ahead and repeat. I label division, addition, and exponent. I'm going to do my exponent first, which is 9. Bring down my 15, my division, sign, 3, my addition. I'm going to label now. I have division and I have addition. I'm going to divide first. 15 divided by 3 is 5 plus 9. I'm left with only addition here. So that's what I'm going to do, and I get an answer of 14. Now I would like for you to go ahead and do the problem over here on the right side on your own. And as you're doing it, remember, all you need to do is to follow those simple steps. And here they are. Label the operations, perform one operation at a time. Repeat and do that by solving it using the tornado method.